Hey, quick question. Have you ever thought about letting a professional build your Shopify store, like from start to finish? Because honestly, it might be the best decision you make if you're starting out. Let me tell you why. So when I first got into e-commerce, I was completely overwhelmed. There were so many tutorials, forums, conflicting opinions. I didn't know who to trust, where to start, or what would actually work. All I knew was I needed a store that looked good and actually made people want to buy. That's when I found Neat Digital on Fiverr. You can find a link to their profile and reviews in the description of this video. I read through their reviews, saw some examples, and thought, okay, let's give this a try. And I'm so glad I did. They built me an entire branded Shopify store. We're talking a custom logo and color palette, a clean, premium theme, smart upsells, email pop-ups, SEO-optimized product pages, basically a full store setup that's designed to convert. What really stood out though was the communication. They were super responsive, collaborative, and genuinely cared about making it right. I didn't feel like just another order. They actually got my vision and made it better. They didn't stop at the homepage either. They set up everything. Product pages, collections, key apps, and even launched the store live for me. I didn't have to touch a thing. They also gave me step-by-step guidance and tutorials so I'd actually know what to do next. So if you're serious about launching a dropshipping store and want to skip the overwhelm, stop wasting time and just check out Neat Digital. You'll find the link to their Fiverr profile right down below in the video description. Trust me, getting a real expert to set you up properly makes all the difference. Big thanks again to the Neat Digital team. Seriously, you crushed it. If you're ready to start, click the link below and ask a Neat Digital question or choose your package.